5 foods that secretly balance your hormones. Doctors won't tell you this. Your mood swings, your weight gain, your exhaustion that no amount of sleep fixes. What if it's not just stress? What if it's your hormones quietly falling apart? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 foods that work directly on your hormones. And food number 4 is something almost everyone is eating completely backwards. Every year, millions of women are told their symptoms are normal aging or just anxiety. But hormone imbalance is real, it's measurable, and food is one of the most powerful tools to correct it. No prescription required. Let's get into it. Food 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans on Earth. Plant compounds that bind to excess estrogen and help your body clear it out safely. This matters because estrogen dominance is behind bloating, heavy periods, and mood crashes for so many women. Think of it like your body having too much of a hormone circulating with nowhere to go. Lignans act like a net, catching that excess and helping usher it out. Just 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed a day, sprinkled on oatmeal or blended into a smoothie, can start shifting that balance within weeks. Food 2. Fatty fish, salmon/sardines. Your hormones are literally built from fat. Omega-3 fatty acids in salmon and sardines are raw material for hormone production, and they lower the inflammation that disrupts cortisol, your stress hormone. Here's the part most people miss. When cortisol stays chronically high, your body starts stealing resources from your thyroid and reproductive hormones just to keep up with stress. That's why chronic stress so often shows up as irregular cycles or a sluggish thyroid. It's not a coincidence, it's biology. 2 servings a week is enough to start calming that inflammatory fire. Food 3. Cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower. Now, stick with me here because this next one surprises almost everyone and it changes how you might be eating these vegetables for the rest of your life. Most people eat broccoli and cauliflower raw, thinking they're getting maximum benefit. But lightly cooking them actually helps your liver process estrogen more efficiently, thanks to a compound called DIM. Your liver is your hormone filter. If it's overloaded, excess hormones recirculate instead of leaving your body, which can quietly worsen fatigue, brain fog, and stubborn weight gain. A cup of steamed broccoli a few times a week supports that detox pathway directly. Food 4. Avocado. This is the one I mentioned at the start, because so many people treat avocado as just a trendy fat, when it's actually doing real work for your adrenal glands, the glands responsible for producing your stress hormones. When your adrenals are depleted from chronic stress, everything downstream suffers. Sleep, energy, cycle regularity. I think of a woman I'll call Maria, who came to changing her diet after months of unexplained exhaustion no doctor could fully explain. Adding just half an avocado a day, alongside other changes, was one of the small shifts that helped her energy slowly return. Half an avocado a day gives your body the building blocks to keep those glands functioning instead of burning out. Food 5. Fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut. Your gut and your hormones are in constant conversation. A healthy gut microbiome helps regulate estrogen metabolism through something called the estrobolome, bacteria that determine whether estrogen gets reabsorbed or eliminated. Fermented foods restock those bacteria daily, which is why gut health and hormone health almost always show up together in research. A small serving of yogurt or sauerkraut with a meal is enough to start supporting that balance. Let's bring it all together. Flax seeds to clear excess estrogen, fatty fish to calm inflammation and protect your cortisol balance, lightly cooked cruciferous vegetables to support liver detox, avocado to protect your adrenal glands, and fermented foods to keep your gut and your hormones in sync. None of these foods work like a magic pill overnight, but consistency here rewires something prescriptions often can't touch: the root cause. Your hormones aren't broken, they just need the right support. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.